Hello guys and welcome to Zig Wheels. We are in Delhi for the launch of the new Suzuki Gixxer SF. So this is a new motorcycle. This gets a all new design. As you can see, it's a full-fed motorcycle, but the styling is completely different. The biggest change is the new LED headlight. So now it looks much more sharper and premium than the older bike. And moving forward, you can see the new fairing. It's larger than the older bike and looks much more better sculpted. And so is the new tank. Another main design highlight is the seat. The Gixxer SF, the older bike, got a single seat. The new motorcycle gets a split seat. Now talking about the engine, the motor remains a 155cc single cylinder air-cooled motor as seen on the older bike, but there's one big difference. The older bike produced 14.8 PS, while this new motorcycle produces 14.1 PS. So as you can see, the power is down by 0.7 PS. Another big change is that the new motorcycle is 6 kg heavier. So in terms of performance, how much is this change is something that we'll find out tomorrow when we get to ride the motorcycle. And in terms of pricing, the new motorcycle has been priced at rupees 1.10 lakh, which is rupees 8,000 more than the older bike. And that's the console. Even it has been redesigned. It looks much bigger and better than the older bike. And you also get a shift light indicator. Now Suzuki also have changed the riding dynamics of this motorcycle as it gets a clip-on handlebar. I will just show you how the motorcycle feels in terms of the riding posture. So the foot peg is still center set. It isn't a very aggressive riding posture like a KTM RC200 or so. It's much more relaxed. And you also get a new tail light. And that's the new exhaust muffler. So in terms of the underpinnings, the new motorcycle is similar to the older bike. It gets disc brakes on both ends, gets a telescopic fork and a monoshock suspension in the back, and it still gets a single channel ABS. So that's the new Suzuki Gixxer SF. We'll be riding this bike tomorrow, so make sure you follow the Zig Wheels YouTube channel and the review will be coming soon. Thank you for watching.